It is being considered for a few days that maybe now we all have to learn to live with corona and it will be common for all of us. So in this video we will mainly talk about 2 points. First, what does this phrase mean, learning to live with corona, and how will all this affect our normal life? Also we will talk about when a disease become endemic. Now experts are saying that maybe the corona can never be eradicated and it will remain in our community like a local virus. Just as we have not been able to eradicate HIV and we have to live with it, similarly we have to learn to live with corona. Now, first of all, let me explain the definition of endemic. It is called endemic disease when a virus keeps circulating among the population and infects those who don't have immunity in their body. It may come back according to the weather, it may come back after a few months, and may it be with us throughout the year. Now, there are three stages of containing a disease at the global level. First, control. Second, elimination. And third is eradication. Now let's talk about first, control. When the number of newly arrived cases is less than those who recovering, it is assumed that the disease is under control. Now with corona, this is not the case at all. Corona cases are coming up a lot more than those who are recovering. There are only few countries in the world who can possibly say that we have controlled the corona. For example, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong and China. But we don't fully know whether those countries have actually controlled the corona or not. And it may be the second wave of corona is reached in these countries. So far the second wave of corona has arrived in China and South Korea. So it is clear from this that we have not been able to control the corona. Second stage is elimination. When it is declared in a certain geographical area that there is no single case of corona, here we call it elimination. This has happened with the Ebola virus. Recently Congo has declared that they have been eliminated Ebola. Now, is it possible for corona? Recently, this has happened in many regions where there was not a single case of corona left for once. But after some time, corona's cases started coming back. So it is clear from all this that the corona cannot be eliminated. Third is eradication. The WHO initially warned that there was a high possibility that we would not be able to eradicate corona. I want to tell you that till now we have been able to eradicate only one disease, smallpox. In 1980, the WHO declared that we had eradicated smallpox. We take the example of polio. Polio has not yet been eradicated, but it has been eliminated in some countries. On the other hand, HIV is only in control. That is, it has not been eradicated or eliminated yet. There are medicines for HIV, but its treatment is not found yet. And people know what precautions they need to take to avoid this. Now, we will talk about the second part of the video about how to live if we had to live with corona. Although we are optimistic that maybe its vaccine will be available, but at the same time, it is also possible that we will never get vaccine. That's why the lockdown is being opened in many countries now, despite the increase in corona cases. Now let's talk about how the world will be after the lockdown. First of all, social distancing will be new normal. It will be followed everywhere in banks, schools, shops. Masks and sanitizers will also become a part of our everyday life. Here I would like to mention that East Asian countries, mainly Japan and South Korea, were already using masks, and as the flu season comes in these countries, these people increase the use of masks. And we can see its effect now. In these countries, the corona is more under control than other countries, and this habit of these countries is now very useful for them. Masks will now be mandated by all governments globally, and people will also be fined for not wearing masks. Online work will be encouraged in developing countries like India. Work from home will also be new normal. A Stanford study found that remote workers were 13.5% more productive than on-site employees on an average. Rules will be completely changed in schools too. For example, in Denmark, Schools have been opened, but many restrictions have been imposed there. Students cannot touch each other, cannot play with each other. In the coming time, it may also happen that digital education should become so popular that students stop going to schools. Along with all this, there will be many changes in transportation as well. Industries will also be completely changed. Number of workers will be reduced drastically. Most of the work will be done by machines and robots. So now we end this video with this positive note that the corona vaccine is available as soon as possible so that we don't have to live with the corona. Thank you.